Introducing the Nestamor Casserole Carrier, Pie Carrier and Cake Carrier with lid and handle. This premium insulated food carrier is the perfect solution for transporting your culinary creations safely and securely. Made from heavy-duty 600D polyester, this carrier is reinforced with a thick, padded perimeter and a structured base and lid. This ensures that your dish remains secure, balanced, and intact during transport, even under the weight of your baked goods. Measuring 12.5 across and 6 inches deep, this roomy carrier provides you with more space and depth than the average round casserole dish carrier. It can accommodate deep dishes and even large salad bowls. Its top and bottom dual zippers make loading and unloading food a breeze, while the cushy, double-webbed padded Velcro handles make carrying comfortable and easy. One of the standout features of this carrier is its superior insulation. Whether you're bringing homemade goodies to a potluck, barbecue, or school bake sale, this carrier is designed to provide better insulation for cakes, pies, casseroles, soups, and salads than run-of-the-mill plastic carriers. It keeps your cold creations chilled and your hot dishes delicious for hours at a time, thanks to its professional-grade aluminum insulation. Not only is this carrier functional, but it also makes a great gift for home bakers. Delivered in a sturdy, giftable box, it's the perfect holiday gift for Christmas and beyond. Choose between 3 chic designs: festive red and pink plaid, cool denim blue with ivory trim, or classic navy and white polka dot. At Nestamor, our goal is to bring simplicity and ease into your lifestyle. We craft home and kitchen essentials that strike the perfect balance between elegance and practical functionality. If for any reason you don't love your travel cake carrier, our customer care team is standing by to help make things right. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use in other countries. In terms of product information, the package dimensions are 14.29 by 13.46 by 3.94 inches, and it weighs 1.81 pounds. The item is suitable for both men and women, and it is manufactured by Nestamor. The ASIN is B0BYHDZZMZ, and the item model number is 8,809,990,603,022. With a customer review rating of 4.8 out of 5 stars, it is ranked number 11,856 in kitchen and dining and number 6 in cake carriers. It was first available on March 16, 2023.